The next generation Camry XLE is expected to launch in the coming years, possibly as a 2024-2025 model. Very little is known about the car, including what it will look like, but if it looks something like this, you certainly wouldn't hear us complaining. Visible at the front end of the 9th generation Camry pictured is a striking front end with lobster claw LED headlights. It also features the same aggressive black grille as the prior's concept and would certainly make a serious impression on the road if it looked something like this. The rear of the Camry has also been overhauled with parts from the prior's concept, including the LED taillights and light bar. The overall shape of the decklet is similar to the current model, although that isn't necessarily a bad thing. It is understood that the next generation Camry will retain the same GAK architecture as the current model. In terms of powertrains, Wheels reports that Toyota will ditch the 3.5-litre naturally aspirated Volt-6 available in the current car and replace it with a new 2.4-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder that is good for approximately 265 horsepower.